Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Chandra Kuridaman. I'm from BBIC. Looking at the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Abstract. This study investigated the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. Data were collected through a parent educational background questionnaire and an English test. Descriptive statistics, person products, moment collection, and regression analysis were employed to analyze the data. The result of the person product moments correlation confidence reflected parent educational background significantly correlated with the student English achievement. Additionally, the result of the linear regression analysis indicated that there was a correlation between parents' educational background and student factor that contributed to the student academic achievement. Parents' educational background it is important in supporting their children English achievement. Introduction. Education is essential for the development of society. The more educated the people of society are, the more civilized and well-disciplined the society make the education also a primary need to this era of globalization. Education gives insight, grooms the personality, include moral value, has knowledge, and provides skill for people who live in a very competitive society. In every field, highly qualified people are needed. However, there are several studies focusing on the problem of education in Indonesia, including Mukminin, Lestari, Afifa, Ramadhani, and Hendra, and Musyadat, who argue that there are some problems of education in Indonesia, including curriculum, budget, quality, purpose of the education, national examination, and learning facility. That kind of problem have influenced the quality of education both at national and international level. For example, although since 1995 Indonesia has taken part consistently in every round trans international mathematics and science study, the results have not been satisfactory. Of the 38 countries participating in 1999, Indonesia ranked 34 and 32 in math and society respectively in 2003. Performance in math increased 411, while the science score slipped to 420. The reverse occurred in 2007, with maths performance decreased 3 and social improved to score in both math science fell in 2011. In 2015, math performance increases while science performance decreased. The result of Indonesian participation in STEAM have improved the quality of education should become the responsibility of all parties including government, school, and family. Family is the one important factor in supporting the education of their children as a unit of society. The family is absolutely a major socializing agent, so that is important in determining the child motivation to achieve success. Mainly has family responsibility for socializing children, for making them productive members of society. The more the parents are involved in the process to imparting education to their children, the more the children make the access academic career and to become productive. And additionally, my parents' personal education background, the economic background have a background plays an important part in their children education. The education received by the children depends very much on the education that their parents have. In relation to education, English is the one compulsory subject in Indonesia. Educational system, the internal and external factor, for example, tend to influence the learner English achievement. Furthermore, data from Education Facts English Proficiency Index also showed then average score of Indonesian English proficiency was 52.74 and labeled a moderate proficient level. This score has placed Indonesia in 28th rank out of 63 countries in the term of index. Comparing the average English language ability in different countries, The data indicate that English proficiency in Indonesia is still lower than the other countries. However, learning English is not easy process. That there are problems or difficult in learning English in their study. Abrar, Mukminin, Habibi, Asrafi, Makmur, and Marzulina, and Mukminin, Muazzah, Mustama, and Sari found that the problem in learning English such as teacher complete studying lack of English foundation background studying lacks independent curriculum, unfounded encourage and gained learning strategy not practice speaking English with parents, educational background and student English achievement. For example, Apriana found that parent educational background was significantly correct to student was a strong correlation between parents educational background and student English achievements. Carabel, Alfred, Access, Kohler, Rowler found that a significant positive correlation existed between parents' education and student achievement. It can be concluded that the result of those studies are still in the additional Arif found that there was no significant relationship between parents' occupation and educational background and student achievement in learning English. The findings of the previous studies of the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement are still mixed. The current study investigates the correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, Sumatera, Indonesia. To research question why the study is there any link between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 12th grade student and one senior high school in Palembang, Sumatera, Indonesia? The parent educational background influence English student achievement of the 12th grade at the one senior high school in Palembang. Literate review. Parents' educational background refers to parents' highest education. That means the highest level of education attained by parents. International standard qualification of education is yet from UNESCO. As group 9 of education, they are early childhood education and primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary, post-secondary, non-technical education, short cycle technical education, bachelor or equivalent level, master or equivalent level, doctoral or equivalent level. Parents with higher level education are also more likely to believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. Also, relationship of parent education to their children achievement motivation in academic area is mediated by parents' beliefs and behavior are likely to be influenced by their educational experience and how these parents' belief and behavior actually influence children achievement motivation in academic area. Additionally, family characteristics such as parent income, education, and family size seem to be connected to some student achievement. In terms of student achievement, Algarabel and Dasi, the state achievement is the component of person relationship to the domain of knowledge. Relationality, Sukmadira, stated of achievement of student could be seen mastering of the subject that they have taken up. Achievement refers to the good result from learning. In addition, English achievement has a strong relation with the academic achievement. English achievement means the company that is achieved by the same student. It means the English subject being well educated parents give benefits for their children. In thus, stated that parents could be served as good role model being consistent, ambitious, and mediocre, all of which will contribute to make their children more successful at school. Moreover, educate parents can provide the children with to good information at home. Guanta, Meta and the better funded education in parents have more adapted to the facility use the children needed to their study, especially in learning English. Students from good socioeconomic and high parental education background have a good chance for getting admission is good professional careers. Parental education level also determine the facility of the cultural level of the home. Undur Sani claim that educated parents often get a better job. Thus, with their income, they are better prepared to give educational material for their children. In other words, these suggests to students manage to support their learning with good educational material because they have parents who can provide them with educational supporting material than have need, including in learning English. Methodology, research design and participant. In this study, we used correction approach to find a link between parents' educational background and student English achievement. The reflection procedure was we identified the parents' educational background by using educational background questionnaire and a second producer will give the student test to fill. Next step was we analysis the link between the two variables for SPSS based on the result of the educational background questionnaire and TOEFL test. 108 senior high school students were involved in the study. Data we collected through the parents' educational background questionnaire and English test. Data collected and analysis. In the study, we used questionnaire and test the instrument to gather the data incoming between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 20 students of the senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. To obtain the information about the parents' educational background, we used them from UNESCO, which adopted by Adriana. The questionnaire considers of parents' educational background, which has to parents' highest education, the questionnaire is about to level education of father and mother of the student. In scoring parents' educational background, the student ticket of their parents' educational background level including early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education for secondary non-education, short cycle, tertiary education, bachelor or equivalent level, master or equivalent level, and doctoral or superior level. The score was from 0 until 8. The highest level education is higher score is a higher indicated a higher degree of education background level to obtain the student English achievement. We use TOEFL junior test. The purpose of the TOEFL junior test is to provide an objective measure the degree which students in the target population have attained profile in the academic, the social English language skill. The designer of the TOEFL Junior Standard first asserted in TOEFL Junior Standard in the test proficiency is not based on the limited any specific curriculum. There are 3 sections listening structure it contain 42 for choice question for testing time of 1 hour 55 minutes. TOEFL Junior test score determined by the number of questions that result. Test is grouped into very good, average, poor, and very poor. In terms of correction and regulation, it was necessary to know whatever the data were normal for each variable linear between two variables. In this study, normality test was used to find whenever the data educational background, questionnaire, and TOEFL. Junior tests were normal or not. We used a sample number so in SPSS if p-value is then higher 0.5 and is normal, vice versa. In this study, linear TOEFL was concluded to know whether the data educational background questionnaire and TOEFL linear test in SPSS was used to see if data were linear or not. After getting the result of product moment correlation confident to find out whether or not there was a correlation between the variable, the interpretation of correlation was to find whenever percent is R is higher than 0.34. Regression analysis was used to find out the identity in the variable by using the result of R square. Simple regression analysis was used to measure the variable, the search of the educational background as independent variable and student English achievement as independent variable were calculated by SPSS. Finding and discussion. Parents educational background in student English achievement. 108 student participants in this study. The descriptive statistical analysis of parent educational background for the participants indicate that the maximum score was 8 and the lower since was 1. The mean score of parent educational background for the participant was 5.05 and standard deviation was 1058. This mean score indicated the level parents educational background of participants in score secondary education D2 or D3. Its score relevant from questionnaire. The 9 level of parent educational background are received by the student with the different number of primary educational SD was the least received and level and bachelor equivalent level was the most received for both father and mother educational background categories. The descriptive statistic analysis of English achievement for the participant indicated for the maximum score was 76, the minimum score was 10. The mean score of English achievement for the participant was 47.02. The standard deviation was 7 77. This meaningful categories: 13 students have good English achievement, 19 students obtain average achievement, 5 students have good English achievement, 71 students have a pure English achievement. The result of normality test and linear test. The data we inputted as normal one. It means data were not normal. Calling what was chosen the normality. The result of normality test indicated the data from each variable were normal and uploaded for data analysis with for pelajaran educational background and for English achievement for linear linear was often equaling is more than 0.5. At the variable linear, the result showed that linear between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Based on the present product moment collection, the coefficient the result indicated the pattern connection and the student English achievement was positive. The correlation of N was higher the arc table than the level of probability significant. Was is mean that was lower than 0.5. Thus, there was a significant correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. The influence of parent educational background on student English achievement. The result indicated the parents of educational background, the English student English achievement significantly with was higher value was longer the probability. Therefore, there was a significant influence between parents' educational background towards student English achievement. The details are following. In addition to non-West parents' educational background influence on the student given asked where what explain the result of analysis it followed significant effects towards student English achievement and was unspecified factor issue. Based on the of-person product moment correlation, it was found there was a positive significant correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement for the 12C. This means of correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement learning environment they can be transferred have on children cognitive and development, for example, by having more discussion about the lesson, using rich vocabulary and interaction of parents and children, and reading more books with the children. This result agreement with yes, agreement and the educational background with English achievement. Furthermore, the more properly further adaptation along the education value the children in school, parents may find it very difficult to understand with the children in the area of education. For likely, we want to strongly and abilities to make children higher, parents contribute in the research such also Quanta, Meta, Google, and background. Recorded educational parents have more children related to their study. Moreover, colleagues have a high educational background and good English competence to face globalization with good English preparation. They will help learning English by doing many such as providing the children with facilities or paying private tutors. Furthermore, the result of this present to the agreement with Apriana study who is parents educational background with study English method included in the what significant correlation between the parents education level and the student test performance. Conclusion: the Google study investigated the correlation between parents' educational background and study English achievement at National High School in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Based on the result of the testing, we found that parents' educational background is significantly correlated when English achievement with the category of lesson was fair. Additionally, the linear influence the dependent variable study English achievement and showed total contribution of parents' educational background and student achievement showed a significant link, although the contribution was small suggestion and their first colleague for factor could contribute to the student English achievement, such as school, teacher, friends, and environment. I think enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.